everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Esha and in today's video I'm going to share with you 10 different ways on how to use a planner as a student. So if you are a school or a college going student or studying day and night to get through that competitive exam to crack your dream job, then I hope that this video is going to help you to organize your life more using a planner. Before that, here is a special announcement. Due to high demand from my student community, I have listed the Life Aroma planner individually at an affordable price, which is at rupees 1199 flat. So if you are interested in purchasing the Life Aroma planner 2024, then you can head over to our website. This is the website. I will provide all the details in the description box below and get your planner at an affordable price. And in case if you are new to my channel and need some context, I have recently launched my own planner brand and we have come up with this beautiful planner named the Life Aroma planner 2024. I have a complete flip through video on my channel which you can check out, and also I have a lot of planner setup videos going on which will be definitely helpful if you are a planner lover and looking for inspiration to set up your new planner for 2024. I will provide all the video links and the playlist in the description box below. Definitely go ahead and binge watch. Now let's get started with today's video and let's talk about all the 10 different ways in which you can use a planner as a student. Make the most of the year at a glance section by jotting down all the important dates for your academic year. Use it to schedule your exams, mark important holidays, and note upcoming events that you don't want to miss out. Don't forget to include your friends' birthdays so that you can wish them on time and enjoy a slice of cake together. Having a bird's eye view of your entire week will be very convenient and easy on your memory. It's a handy way to keep everything organized and ensure that you don't miss out on any important moments. Using a planner for goal setting is like having a personal roadmap for your academic journey. Start by jotting down your big picture goals that can be your study goals, your self-care goals, or even starting a side hustle along with your studies. Break this down into smaller actionable tasks that you can tackle on a weekly or even on a daily basis. Take a few moments at the beginning or end of each week to reflect on your progress and adjust your plan if needed. As you flip through the pages later on, you will not only see the steps you have taken but also gain a sense of accomplishment and motivation. Remember, your planner is your personalized guide to success. Make it uniquely yours. Your planner is not just about jotting down your daily tasks and to-dos. It can serve as a powerful tool to manifest your dream life. Consider where you envision yourself in the future. What do you want to become? Picturize yourself in 5 years and then in 10 years from now. Craft a vivid image of your ideal self and your ideal life using a vision board in your planner. Use your planner as a canvas to document and visualize these aspirations. By regularly visiting these aspirations, you not only motivate yourself to study and work hard, but also align your actions with the person you aim to become. Let your planner be a source of inspiration, guiding you towards your higher self and a future that reflects your dreams. As a student, it is crucial to do more than just hitting the books every day. Taking a moment for self-reflection, slowing down and focusing on personal growth through journaling can be incredibly beneficial. The Life Aroma Planner 2024 is designed to guide you each month with a variety of personal development topics and journaling prompts. The beauty of it is that it doesn't demand a significant time investment and it's not constrained by time limits. You can address these questions at your convenience. These journal prompts serve as a guidance for self-awareness, building confidence, and cultivating boldness in your career. Understanding your self-esteem and actively working on personal development are key elements that ensure others won't take advantage of you. By investing time in these reflective practices, you will be building a foundation for an empowering future. I'm sure you love the idea of creating a bucket list every year, right? Besides focusing on studies, it's awesome to jot down some extracurricular skills you want to pick up, books that you are wanting to read, places you are eager to visit, new experiences you are dying to try, and movies and series you are excited to watch. Writing this down really boosts the chances of making them happen. After all, we all need some recreation, and having a list like this is a fantastic way to stay organized and motivated. It's not just a list, it's a roadmap to a year filled with growth, excitement, and memorable experiences. Establishing a solid morning and nighttime routine can significantly contribute to maintaining your health and mental well-being, especially when you are immersed in intense study sessions in the middle of exam pressure and the competitive atmosphere to excel in your academics. By allocating specific time to each of your daily habits and adjusting the intensity based on your energy levels, you will find that having a structured routine enhances your efficiency. When your routines are well established, you will not only function more effectively but also foster a sense of happiness and positivity within yourself. Using a planner to track your budget is a game changer for students. List down all your income sources, whether it's your part-time job, allowances, or any other cash flow like monthly pocket money from parents. Next, jot down your fixed expenses like rent, tuition, or any other bills. Once the essentials are sorted, allocate a budget for variable expenses such as groceries, entertainment, shopping, and miscellaneous stuff. As you spend, update your planner religiously. It's like giving your money a roadmap. This way, you will not only stay on top of your spending but also get a clear picture of where your money is going. Plus, it's super satisfying to see those budgeting skills in action and watch your financial goals unfold right there in your planner. Starting your month right is the key to ensuring it doesn't go to waste. It's crucial to approach your studies with a purpose nowadays rather than just going through the motions. Begin by setting an intention and choosing a word to focus on for the month. Jot down motivational affirmations and quotes to keep your spirits high. Make use of monthly goal setting templates to break down your long-term objectives into manageable steps for each month. Take the necessary actions to move closer to your goals throughout the month. Utilize the monthly calendar to mark important dates and upcoming events, helping you stay focused and organized and on track. In the one-liner sections, jot down the highlights for the day. This serves as a memory keeping tool, allowing you to reflect nostalgically on your progress after a year. Wrap up the month by answering some reflection questions to analyze what went well and identify areas for improvement in the upcoming month. This holistic approach will not only enhance your academic performance but also contribute to personal growth. As a student, it's crucial to effectively plan your week, and the Life Aroma Planner provides a convenient week at a glance view, eliminating the need to flip through pages to find what you need. Begin by establishing your weekly goals such as study plans and maintain a weekly to-do list to track assignments, projects, and subjects for the week. The side section serves as a handy weekly habit tracker to monitor your daily habits. The planner's vertical layout proves effective for prioritizing tasks. Start by jotting down your top priorities for the day, whether it's an important assignment or a specific focus for a particular subject. In the next section, break down class assignments and homeworks, while the third section can be dedicated to personal self-care, including workouts, grooming, and extracurricular activities. As the week concludes, take a moment to assess and reflect on your accomplishment. Jot down the weekly highlights and formulate an improvement plan for the upcoming week to ensure continuous growth. This structured approach helps you to stay organized and focused on your academic and personal goals altogether. The Life Aroma Planner offers a range of unique features designed to enhance your personal growth journey. Each month, you will discover 12 engaging and enjoyable activities crafted to not only deepen your self-understanding but also add variety into your planning routine. This ensures that your interaction with the planner remains dynamic and captivating, encouraging you to return consistently. You will not only break the monotony of using the same planner every month but also actively contribute to your personal and professional development. Your journey towards self-discovery is an investment that transcends into your career, fostering confidence and cultivating an impressive personality. So make sure to use your planner effectively on a consistent basis to get the maximum output possible. Alright, so that's all for all the different ideas. Comment down below your favorite idea from today's video. And if this video was insightful, definitely give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for more such content. And again, a sweet reminder, the Life Aroma Planner is available at an affordable price, so you can click here on the shop link and go to the website directly and shop it from there. And I guarantee you that you will love the quality as well as the content of the planner, and it will be helpful for you for the entire year. Stay tuned to the channel if your goal for 2024 is to become more productive, organized, and plan your life well. This channel is perfect for you. I will see you super soon with a new video. Till then, keep smiling. Bye bye.